Hi guys, how are you guys doing? So today I'm going to talk about a particular thing that will help you to really strengthen your nails and grow them. Like, I don't know if you can see it, but I used to be someone who used to constantly bite her nails and stuff like that, and my nails were really brittle and everything. So I'm going to share this, talk about this particular magical product which I discovered, and since then I think my nails have been doing comparatively well. So it's nothing like it's gonna change your nails in a day or something. It's gonna help nourish your cuticles and everything on your hand. So I'm gonna talk about this. It's a jojoba oil, and I got this one from Soulflower simply because of the fact it's in this pump system, so it doesn't get messy and I can carry it. It's like a tiny bottle and you don't require a lot of jojoba oil. And you can use any jojoba oil, like any pure jojoba oil. You can get it online, offline. I got this one I think from Nika. So what I do is I definitely try maintaining a nice hygiene. I try changing my nail paint. Now you can't really see my nails that well because I have a new nail polish on, but I try changing my nail color once a week, because then or else it gets really it's not really good if you keep your nail color for more than 7 days or something. So what I do is every night I take this jojoba oil. Even on mornings I don't really use hand creams when I'm home. When I'm home I just take a little bit of it, and especially at night I do it religiously. Just take it like this, like one pump you can see, and 1 or 2 pumps, and I start massaging my nails with the oil like this, and it really helps in strengthening your nails. I use it as a hand cream at times, you can see, and it works amazing as a hand cream, by the way. Very light, so it won't feel greasy. Massage them on the direction on which your nail grows. So massage it like this. Do it every day, as many times as you can. I do it twice a day, and when I'm very busy, then once before going to bed I'm definitely doing it. So I just massage my cuticle area because it's really needed, and it'll change the look of your hands and look like you're getting manicure, like professional manicure done every week or something. It's gonna take some time because obviously but you will see the results I think in 2-3 uses only, because it works amazingly and then your nails really well. So that's how I use jojoba oil on my nails, and it has really helped my nail become stronger. And also always carry a nail file with you, so that whenever you because nails are very notorious, so sometimes you will see something like a little bit of nail something sort of coming off or something, so you can just file it off and you're done. So that's how I use the jojoba oil. I also use jojoba oil for the ends of my hair. I don't use it as a hair serum because it's an oil. It's a very lightweight oil, by the way. The past year I've colored my hair so many times. I've bleached my hair, so much of hot tools and everything, that my hair was practically dying. So just to make my hair soft and smooth, I use jojoba oil again on the ends of my hair, and it has really improved the the health of my hair. And also sometimes when my skin is feeling dry or stretchy, especially in the colder months, my skin, I have sensitive skin, so it feels really dry and stretchy. So again, I don't use night cream or anything. I just use a little bit of it, and it's very light. Okay, it's very nourishing. So that's how I use jojoba oil. I sometimes also mix it with coconut oil and massage it on my scalp, and just does wonders to my hair, makes my hair soft, and gives a beautiful shine, and it's very lightweight, as I've said. Also at times I love wearing sandals or chappals outside, so at times I get this cracked and dry feet. I never get cracked feet, but my feet really dry up and stuff like that. So that's when again I just wash my feet after coming back home, and before going off to bed I just again massage a little bit of this oil on my feet, and then I just wear a socks. I just massage my feet with this oil, and it does the job. It makes it soft and nice and good looking, supple. So works really great for dry feet, and also for elbows and knees, which are always dry, and the areas which we ignore the most. I even apply jojoba oil after bath over there. People talk about jojoba oil and its benefits and everything, but this is how I use, these are the ways how I use jojoba oil, and I have seen a major difference like, you know, my nails and my hair and my skin and my, you know, feet and everything. So yes, definitely get yourself this bottle. You can get any actually from any brand. Those were my ways of using jojoba oil. This one is for 450 rupees. It's like pure jojoba cold pressed oil. Always make sure you're getting something that's cold pressed, so in that, with the elements that are sensitive to heat, they're not getting destroyed in the process of, you know, processing and everything. So always use the cold pressed version of any oil that you're using. So I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, then don't forget to like this video. Let me know what are other, you know, ingredients you want me to talk about, or not ingredients, like other products you want me to talk about, natural products. Let me know what exactly you want to see through the month of January and, you know, months following, and I'll definitely do that for you guys. And yes, I'll see you guys in my next video. Till take care. I love you all. Bye bye.